A journey into the world of biodiversity. Join us on a journey into the world of biodiversity. Discover the incredible variety of species and ecosystems that make up our planet and learn about the importance of preserving biodiversity for our own future and for the sake of the environment. Explore the ways humans are impacting nature, both positively and negatively, and get an in-depth look at the ways we can all work to protect and preserve the wonders of biodiversity around us. Welcome to the Query Quest. We'll be exploring all the questions you've ever wanted to know about topics from technology to education and more. In this video, we will try to understand the following. Explore the incredible variety of species and ecosystems. Uncover the importance of preserving biodiversity. Learn about the delicate balance of nature. Investigate the ways humans are impacting the environment. Examine the positive and negative effects of human activity. Discover the threats facing biodiversity. Uncover the solutions to protect and preserve biodiversity. Get a better understanding of ecosystems. Get an in-depth look at the role of biodiversity. Find out how to contribute to preserving biodiversity. Exploring the incredible variety of species and ecosystems is a way of discovering the range of life forms and related processes that exist within the environment. It includes the study of different species, their habitats, and the relationships between them, as well as the physical and climate conditions that influence them. Taking a deeper look into biodiversity can help us understand how these different living organisms interact with their environment and with each other, which helps us to better understand our own planet and its many wonders. Preserving biodiversity is important because it helps keep our planet healthy and sustainable. It maintains the balance of ecosystems, which are the foundation of life. Biodiversity provides us with essential resources such as food, medicine, and clean air, and it helps us mitigate the effects of climate change by sequestering carbon and reducing the impacts of natural disasters. It also plays an important role in maintaining genetic diversity, which helps to ensure that future generations will have an ample variety of species to admire and benefit from. Learning about the delicate balance of nature is important to help us gain an understanding of how various factors, including people and the environment, interact, and the impact those interactions have. We need to recognize that with every action we take, there is a reaction. Changes, even seemingly small ones, can have lasting and far-reaching effects, both positive and negative, on the environment and the people who depend on it. By exploring the interconnectedness of everything, we can gain a better understanding of how to responsibly and sustainably coexist with nature. Investigating the ways humans are impacting the environment means looking at both the positive and negative effects of our activities. On the one hand, humans have had a large role in conserving and preserving species and habitats, but on the other hand, our actions have also resulted in the destruction of countless species and habitats. By looking at the ways humans are impacting the environment, we can gain a better understanding of our role in preserving biodiversity and figure out ways to make better decisions in order to better protect and preserve it. Examining the positive and negative effects of human activity means looking at both the advantages and disadvantages that our activities have had on the environment. On the one hand, advances in technology and other activities have improved human lives and provided us with new ways to interact with the natural world. On the other hand, many of our activities have also caused destruction to habitats and populations of wildlife. By examining both sides of human activity, we can better recognize the role we play in both conservation and destruction, and find ways to reduce the negative impacts of our actions. Investigating the threats facing biodiversity means exploring the issues that have the greatest potential to disrupt the balance of nature. Climate change and human activities, such as deforestation, pollution, and overharvesting, are some of the biggest threats facing our planet's biodiversity. Additionally, the introduction of invasives, our own carbon footprints, support green initiatives, and educate others on the importance of biodiversity preservation. By uncovering these solutions, we can all help to protect the beautiful balance of nature. Gaining a better understanding of ecosystems means learning more about the various elements that go into making up a healthy, functioning ecosystem. This involves looking at the abiotic and biotic components, such as climate, soil, and species, as well as the complex interactions between them. Additionally, Understanding the food webs, energy flow, and other processes that occur in an ecosystem can help us better appreciate the cycle of life. By gaining a better understanding of ecosystems, we can identify current threats, create and implement solutions, and conserve and protect biodiversity for generations to come. Investigating the role of biodiversity means understanding how different species rely on one another, as well as how their presence affects the environment. Biodiversity provides us with resources, such as food and medicine, and is also necessary to ensure natural ecosystems remain balanced and functioning. Additionally, it contributes to the maintenance of water and air quality, helps to regulate the climate, and provides economic opportunities to communities. By learning more about the role of biodiversity, we can gain a better appreciation for its value and work to protect this valuable resource. Discovering how to contribute to preserving biodiversity involves exploring the various ways we can help protect and conserve this valuable resource. We can support organizations dedicated to preserving biodiversity as well as participate in community conservation initiatives. Additionally, we can reduce our carbon footprint and make eco-friendly choices in order to help protect habitats and species. Through these efforts, we can help ensure that our planet's unique biodiversity is preserved for generations to come. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos and share it with your friends and family.